Sa likod ng bawat malinis na damit, may kwento ng sipag, tiyaga at pangarap. At yan ang pinatunayan ng isang business owner na tampok natin ngayong araw. Kaya alamin na natin kung paano niya pinagsama ang diskarte at determinasyon para maabot ang kanyang pangarap. Dito sa Negosyo Tayo!
Mostly it's the need of the community eh. So kahit sabihin mong maraming laundry shop, laging puno eh. Or sometimes you always assume na lang kinabukasan mo na makukuha, ganyan. So what we wanted to achieve here is efficiency, mabilis, malinis. What you get is good service na mabilis. So yun yung focus namin.
Sa laundry namin, actually, per load kami, 7 kg max, and then wash, dry, fold. Magkakaroon din kami soon ng dry clean, pressing, all coming soon. Laging hinahanap ng mga customers sa amin dito yun. Yung mga staff ko kasi mga breadwinners din sila and their moms na with children, tapos yung mga asawa pa nila may sakit. Tapos buti na lang nakakatulong naman kami sa kanila.
And also the life skills na we're able to share with them, no? Kasi here, it's not just a laundry service, no? Kumbaga, this establishment is also customer service. Kumbaga, yung hindi naman okay yung punta ka na isang shop, kahit anong shop pa yan. Kung nakasimanang yung mga tao, ganyan, mabagal yung service, di ka pinapansin, walang malasakit. So yun yung tinatry din namin ituro sa mga tao namin, no? Yan yung mga life skills na madadala nila kahit saan sila magtrabaho, kahit anong bansa sila magtrabaho. Kasi, ayun, it's kung grounded tayo sa customer service, magta-translate yan sa kahit anong line of work.
One of the struggles talaga as a laundry owner, yung pagkuha ng regulars and what sets us apart from other laundry shops. So we really have to be efficient in our service, and also yung pagtangkilik ng mga customers, yung babalik-balik lang kami, yun yung lagi naming ina-achieve every day.
Before you start a business, make sure your heart is into it. Meaning, kung kailangan ikaw yung magtiklop ng mga damit, gawin mo. Kung kailangan ikaw yung mag-pull ng shot sa mga kape mo, gawin mo. Kung kailangan ikaw yung mag-serve ng food, maglinis ng table, do it. Kasi, number one, you'll never know what it's really like unless ikaw talaga yung gumagawa. Find something that would differentiate you from your competition and sustain it. Tapos i-grow mo yun, and then chances are you'll be able to succeed. Basta hard work lang talaga, and make sure you really know what's happening in your store.